Welcome learners for the lecture 22 of mathematical method. Today we discussing about the some example. In a previous lecture also discussing about the example. Okay, let us go started as example. For the linear differential equation delta square upon delta x square equals to 1 by k delta u upon delta t on the semi-infinite line satisfying the equation delta u upon delta t equals to k. 0 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to infinity boundary condition. Then first equation will be generated ux 0 to t generated f of t equals to t greater than or equals to 0. This is boundary equation will be generated. Three equation u 0 to t tends to infinity as x tends to infinity, and third condition will be considering u x to 0 equals to 0, find u x t equals to 0. Okay, let us go started as a solution. We have given to the boundary condition that will be generated is a u x 0 to t for f of t. Then after that equation, then applying to the finite Fourier cosine transform, equation will be generated as in differentiating form. First part delta square u upon delta x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t is given to the example form. Then after that delta u upon delta t equals to k is a multiply to the form k into del square by del x square. Then after that applying Fourier cosine transform on both of the side, that will be generated to the form that is a function of a cosine delta u upon delta t equals to k is a constant function of a cosine delta square u upon delta x square. Using to the formula for the cosine form square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity f of t cos xi x dx. This is a formula of a function of a cosine, that is square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity f of t will be generated to the form f of t equals to del u upon del t cos xi x dx equals to k will be considering to the form square root of a 2 by pi. Formula will be put up this equation for the function will be uses. Then del by del t is a constant. This equation will be generated, that is the square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u cos xi x dx equals to same as the value of a k, that is the square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity del square u upon del x square cos xi x dx. Then this value you know that generating del by del t of this is a uc equals to k will be generated. This value is generating to the formula. Then solve to the equation where u c is a cosine form of a u equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u cos x considering as a xi x dx. This is the first equation. Integrated by the part of both of this equation, then del by del t uc equals to k square root of a 2 by pi in a getting as a value, that is a u into v formula will be uses. Okay, u is a constant, v is a integrated, u is a constant, then v is a integrated. This formula will be applied to the equation. Then equals to k considering to the form square root of 2 by pi cos xi x del u upon del t put it to the limit upper limit infinity and lower limit 0. Okay, minus this value. First limit will be put up this equation minus second is a 0 will be put up. Then this is a 0 and this value considering as a only 1. Okay, cos 0 equals to 1. This value will be considering minus minus is a plus, xi integration 0 to infinity sign will be considered. Then k equals to square root of a 2 by pi. This is called as a f of t. This equation is called as a f of t plus xi integration 0 to infinity sin xi t dt. Okay, this value will be generated. Then minus k will be generating to the first value, put up all this value in equation, same as the value will be generated to the value means del by del t uc equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi f of t minus k xi square uc. Same value uc will be considering. This uc and uc both of this constanting to the value and minus k considering that value. Minus generated as a plus form and considering this value. This is a first order differential equation of a uc compared with the first value that will be generated as a del by del t of a v plus pv equals to q. This is the equation for the derivative form is generated. Here v equals to uc dash, then put up to the all the uc equals p equals to v xi square and q equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi f of t. Then integral function generated to the value, that is e to the power integration p dt. Put up to the value of a p e to the power k xi square considering an dt, and what is the integration of a dt is a t. This value will be generated as an integrating function. Thus the solution of the equation second will be generated. V into integrating function equals to integration q a or into integrating function of a. Then you see to the power k xi square t equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi f of t value will be put e to the power k xi square t dt plus a. This is the equation third. To find the value of a, how to find to the value of a, because value of a is a constant value, then put up to the value, then solution is a form. Then for t equals to 0, u x 0 equals to also 0. Then limit is also given to the form that will be generated equation u c x t equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u x 0 cos psi t dt will be generated. Put t equals to 0, t equals to 0 will be put it to the form that will be generating as a value. First is the solving to the condition u c x 0 and x 0 for a u. Both of this equation 4 will be generated from equation 4, a equals to 0, u c equals to 0. Then equation a to the part is a 0, then cancelling to the form u c e to the power k xi t equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity, not a infinity, t will be considering because value will be put at t equals to 0. This value will be generated. Same left hand side will be considering to the form and right hand side will be applied to the condition. Replace t tends to torque in the right hand side of a 5. Okay, right hand side, left hand side no, right hand side. Then put up to the value of a torque, that is the t equals to divide by the equation this both of the side. First will be cancelling and apply to the form. Then this will be minus minus, this is a constant value k, the square k is a minus k considering the both of the value for the equations. Now apply to the inverse Fourier cosine transform f of inverse. This formula is different for the inverse Fourier cosine transform. Then function of a cosine minus 1 f of c u equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi. This is also applying to the formula that is a square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity. This condition in u x t equals to minus k square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to torque, because value will be changes of the torque constant in form, and this will be generated as a equation. You know that this equation is a I. Put up to the value of a I, that is k equals to t minus z equals to a square. Then a equals to square root will be considering, this square root will be applied, then put up to the value of this equation. Hence square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus xi square t minus xi cos xi x d xi. Okay, this value will be generated numerator and denominator. Put the value of equation 7, both of this condition, that is a minus k square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to torque f of torque dxi equals to, this value will be putting this. This is the solution of a equation for getting as a 3 condition for delta square u upon del x square. Okay, let us go next example. Same as the example will be considering to the form solve delta u upon delta t equals to del square u upon del x square using to the condition of this form. Same as applying to the solution of this bounded function for the value will be generating, that is a 0, t equals to 0, u equals to 0 as x equals to 0 of the value, that is a u equals to 1 to 0 will be considered. Two condition will be applied. If u equals to 1, then 0 is less than x less than 1, 1 is a greater, for this value is considering sum of the minus form, and 0 will be considering x is always greater than or equal. And third condition, u of a xt is a bounded unit, u xt will be generated. Then what is the solution of this equation? Given bounded condition is a u 0 to t equals to 0. Then hence we applying the Fourier sine transform will be generated. Then the given differential equation del u upon del t equals to xi square u upon del x square will be generated. Then applying to the Fourier sine transform of the both of the side, then function of a sine, function of a sine, both of these condition. Value will be put it as a formula will be using square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity del u upon del t sine xi x dx. Same as a del square u upon del x square. Both of these condition, del by del t is a common, both of this value will be generated u. You know that this equation will be generating as a us for the cosine form. Apply to the rule where us equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u sine xi x dx by using to the part. Then integrated to the first part of the integration, del by del t us equals to, what is the integration? To solve it to the equation, that is the integration u into v will be generated. Okay, apply to the rule, put up to the first limit, after that last limit will be put up, means upper limit and lower limit. This will be generated, limit first, and this is a zero limit will be considering to the form of a equation 0. You know that this form is a 0, this is also 0, only remaining of this condition for the apply. Minus sign will be generated, square root of a 2 by pi minus xi integration 0 to infinity cos xi x del u upon del t dx will be generated. Then del by del t function of a considering to the form, that is the sine transform of a u equals to minus xi square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity cos xi x del u upon del x dx will be generated. Second integration will be considering to the form minus of xi square root of they will be constant t. Apply to the rule integration u into v of the form, and limit will be considering. Then put up to the limit of this equation and minus of psi. This, you know that this is a 0, but cos considering as a u, this is also 0 for using to the 0 to t of the form. Then this both of this condition is a 0, minus sign. You know that this is a plus sign, they consider only minus sign. Xi considering as a xi square up to the form. Then minus xi square square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u sine xi x dx. Then d by dt of a us equals to minus xi square us, and this will be considering to the form, for that equation log will be generated to the form minus xi square dt. Log will be considering, then log a constant will be generated, they will be considering that side denominator form, log will be generated in the right hand side exponential form of this equation will be considered. Then how to solve to the find a given that t equals to 0, for using as a equation boundary condition will be applied as a second, u equals to 1 to 0 condition will be given. Put t equals to 0 in equation 2, us equals to only a form, but we know that us equals to generated to the form square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u sine xi x dx will be generated. Us equals to, this equation will be put up to the value of the equation, that will be generated 0 to 1 of the integration. Then square root of 2 by pi integration 0 to 1, and u equals to also 1 of the value sine xi. Same as the value will be generating, both of this same, considering square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity sine xi x dx will be generated to the condition using square root of a 2 by pi, they integrated to the part, sine is called minus cos xi x upon xi 0 to 1. First value will be put it as a 1, and second value will be put it as a 0 of this form. Then first value will be generated, square root of a 2 by pi minus cos xi upon xi plus 1 by xi, because cos 0 equals to 1. Us for the cosine form of this equation, that is the square root of a 2 by pi, both of this common is a xi, only remaining as a 1 minus cos xi. This is equation 4. Now equation 3 and 4, us sine form equals to a square root of a 2 by pi 1 by xi 1 minus this equation. Substitute this value of a in that equation. Us sine form equals to a square root of a 2 by pi, put up to the value of a, that is a 1 by xi 1 minus cos xi e to the power minus xi square by t. Okay, this will be, then after that this value will be put up to the equation, then apply to the rule for the inverse Fourier sine transform. Function of a inverse form, sine equals to square root of a 2 by pi function of a sine, they will be get it as a value. Then you know that this equation will be generated to the function of a sine u. They will be generated equals to form. This is called as a uxt equals to same square root is a cancelling to the form 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity 1 minus cos xi upon xi e to the power minus xi square by t sin xi t d xi. Okay, this is the required solution, and getting as a first unit is a completed in this example to getting as a value.